Okay, section 3, chapter 3, section 3 lecture, states of matter. Remember solids, and most solids are in a crystalline structure. Before I get going, don't forget the new vocabulary, essential questions, all that good stuff here. Okay, you need to keep track of all that business. Now, most solids are crystalline structures. Okay, they have a specific crystal makeup. Solids, obviously a fixed shape, a fixed volume. Okay, glass is a different type of a solid. Now, glass, when a chunk of lava or magma cools at a really rapid pace, quick cooling, we get glass. Very smooth. It's basically the way window glass is formed. They cool it really quickly, and it solidifies clear. So, glass is a solid that consists of densely packed atoms that are arranged randomly, and molten material is chilled rapidly. Okay, that's rapid cooling. Now, crystalline solids. This rock is a mixture. Okay, it's a piece of granite. It is a mixture of quartz, biotite, or mica, and feldspar, or pink feldspar in this case. Okay, notice how each has a different crystalline structure. All right, but they join together to form this up. So solids, fixed shape, fixed volume. Liquids do not have a fixed shape. They do have a fixed volume. Okay. Liquids, all liquids melt at different temperatures. They solidify at a certain temperature. Okay. Then gases, again, liquids have a fixed volume, but not a fixed shape. Gases, on the other hand, have no shape, no fixed shape, and no fixed volume. They can expand or contract very easily. Plasma is the most common state of matter in the universe. Ionized electrically conducted gases are called plasmas. Ionized positive and negative charges. All right, remember ionization's positive and negative charges. So plasmas are a positive and negative charged gas. Changes of state, solids melt when they're absorbed. Let's just look at this. I think this will help us out a little better. All right. I just like looking at these figures. They seem to help me out a little better. So here's my phase changes. All right. Here's my 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. As I go from a solid to a liquid, that's right here. This is melting. Okay. A liquid to a solid is freezing. Liquid to a gas, evaporation. Reverse process is condensation. And the ones that you are not as familiar with are going to be right here. A gas to a solid is called deposition, and a solid to a gas is sublimation. All right, so those are my phase changes of matter. Conservation of energy, and this is the thing, is when I, and let me pull this back up, it might help us a little more. All right. When I go through a liquid to a solid, a cooling process, I don't lose energy. Okay. Energy may be released, but I don't use it or lose it. Solid to a liquid to a gas. If I go, and you might recall this from physical science, if I go in this process, I add energy. For a solid, for a piece of ice to turn into liquid, it has to be heated. Energy has to be added. Okay. For it to go in this direction, for a liquid to turn to a solid, for a gas to turn into liquid, I have to lose energy. Now, This energy is not created or destroyed, it's just transferred from one object to another. Okay, it's transferred from one object to another. And that's what's important here. That's the conservation of energy. Energy is not created or destroyed, it is transferred. That is it for this lecture. I hope it helps.